Welcome to the Rankled Engineer. So this is going to serve as the Junior Rankled Engineer #1, this guy. His graduation announcement. He graduated from high school last month, and he has started college today, and he is 15 years old. So we have given some thought that he needs a laptop, so you have your first laptop.
Yes.
And he is going to unbox it now. It's a ThinkPad X series. It's an X13 AMD. This one has a Ryzen 5. We had ordered a Ryzen 7 processor, but it was taking way too long to fabricate and get here. So we changed the order to a Ryzen 5, and so it's got 6 cores, and 16 gigs of RAM, and a half a terabyte hard drive, an NVMe drive. We were going to replace the drive with an aftermarket one because the original one we ordered had a smaller drive, but this one ended up having the drive that we were going to put in it. You're going to turn it around.
Yeah.
Nice and pretty laptop. Got an extra bright screen. Lightweight and ultra portable. And as kind of a companion to this video, I just built myself a new workstation that I've been kind of testing between my old workstation that's almost a decade old and the video editing, video compression, Premiere, and Photoshop for some of the HDR photos I deal with, as well as Adobe Bridge. And it's really fast. I'm going to go ahead and put it up against this thing though, just to see what the difference is, because I bet this is going to smoke my old desktop. It's not going to touch the Ryzen 9 that I have,
Yeah.
but it's going to be pretty awesome. So what do you think about this thing?
It's gonna work.
You excited?
Yeah. We gotta put the battery in it and turn it on and see how it's on.
Yeah, we're gonna have to give it a try. So tonight is configuring software. Unfortunately, it got here today, and I just got back from Hollywood Studios, so now I get a little bit of a late night to get his software configured and get him on the domain and all that fun stuff. But
Yep.
There you have it, a new X13 laptop. Yay, and congratulations for graduating.
Yep.
Follow us on our other social media platforms. It's the Rankled Engineer with the Junior Rankled Engineer. Have a good one.